Good morning, children. Welcome to the math class. Students, as we have discussed in our last class that the sum of the exterior angles of any polygon, you can see here it is a pentagon, and how many external angles you can see 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, and we have seen that sum of the exterior angles of any polygon is equal to 360 degree. So how it is possible? See, you have started moving from R. So you are going to this point and you turn of this angle. See, this one is our this angle. This portion I have added here. See, you have turned to this angle from R to this angle. That means you have turned in this part. Next in P, again you have turned an angle. The measure of this angle, because you are going towards QP and you have turned to this much. The angle is this much. So this one is here. It is, say it is 1, it is 2. I have given here 1, it is 2. Now after from here you have reached to T. Then if you go straight T, then it will be this line, but you have here also you have turned a little bit. An angle was formed. You are going towards S and this angle has formed. So it is 3. So this is angle 3, say it is angle 3. From T to S, you have turned an angle 3. So I am giving here it is 3. Say it is 3. Now if you go to TS, this line is going to this side only, but you have again turned from S to R. Again an angle has formed here. Say it is angle 4. So it is angle 4 and this is our angle 4. Afterwards again you have reached to R to go to Q, because I have started from Q, it is our angle 1. So here from R again if you go to through this line, then it will be this way, but you have turned again to reach Q, point Q. Then to reach you have turned an angle. This is angle 5, say this angle 5, and this is the angle 5. Now what I can see was when I have add these all the angles, can you see it is a 360 degree angle? Practically also you can prove that from any polygon the sum of the exterior angles are always 360 degree. So after discussing the exterior angles, sum of the exterior angles is equal to 360 degree. We will start our exercise 3.2 from chapter 3, understanding quadrilaterals. Now before starting this, we will start from here. Sum of the measures of the external angles of any polygon is 360 degree. We have already proved by the practical work. Now it is very important, so I have given one asterisk sign here, star also here. Now for a regular polygon, you know what is regular polygon, a small definition also I have given here. For a regular polygon, you know that regular polygon means all sides and all angles are equal. So for a regular polygon of side n, each exterior angle, if you want to find the measurement of each exterior angle, then how can you find it? If it is a regular polygon, then 360 divided by n, that means number of sides. If it is a regular polygon, then only you can find each exterior angle by this formula. 360 will be divided by the number of sides. Here it is n, so I have written n. Now if you get the exterior angle, and you know that exterior angle is always the sum, if it is exterior angle of a polygon, then the interior angle will be 180 minus exterior angle. If it is interior angle, then exterior plus interior, you know that it is a linear pair. So interior angle, if you want to find the interior angle, then it will be 180 minus each exterior angle. So one formula is here, 360 by the number of sides of the regular polygon. You will get each exterior angle. To find each interior angle, you will subtract the exterior angle from 180 degree. Okay. if each exterior angle is given, if say exterior value of the exterior angle is given, then you can easily find the value of the number of sides of the polygon, regular polygon. If each exterior angle is given, then number of sides of the regular polygon is 360 by each exterior angle. Instead of the side, you are dividing it by the exterior angle, then you will get the side. By cross multiplication only this formula can derived. Now we will use these three parts in our exercise 3.2. Now look at this given figure. It is question number A from 1. Exercise 3.2. Here you have to find the value of x. It is a triangle and three exterior angles are given here. If you use the concept of sum of the exterior angles of any polygon, you will get 360 degree, you know that. So two exterior angles are given here with their measurement, and x is, you have to find the value of x, it is unknown. As so you can find the sum in this way, you have to find the value of x. So 125 plus 125 degree plus x is equal to 360 degree. (250 plus x is equal to 360 degree. Therefore, x is equal to 360 minus 250 is equal to 110. Therefore, x is equal to 110. This is the value of this unknown angles. Now, unknown angle. Now, next question, question number B. Look at the diagram. Look at the figure. It is a pentagon. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 sides are there. So, you have got also 5 exterior angle. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. And you can see that the symbols are telling me that it is 90 degree. So, one angle is given, but here, what will be this angle? You know that one line is perpendicular to the other line, then the two linear pairs are formed. If one angle is 90 degree, then other angle also 90 degree. We have already solved this kind of sum so many times. So it is directly you can write 90 degree. Now only this value is unknown. So if you want to find the value of x, then the sum of the exterior angles, you have to use that property only of a polygon. So you know that x plus 90 plus 60 degree plus 90 plus 70 equal to 360 degree, sum of the exterior angles of a polygon. Now add this. Now x plus 310, add all these, you will get 310 is equal to 360 degree. Therefore the value of x is equal to 360 degree minus 310 degree. Therefore x unknown angle, value of unknown angle is 360 minus 310 means 50 degree. These two sums are easy, but you need to practice. Thank you, students.